Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export high quality videos from VN Video Editor. So if you want to export a high quality video using VN without losing clarity, you can just watch this video and follow the step-by-step guide to get crystal clear videos in 1080p, 2K or even 4K. So the first step, you need to just complete your video editing. So let's say here I'm going to just open my existing project. Let's say I want to export this projects right here. So you can just add your clips and add transition effects and also tags. Make sure everything is properly synced, and you can just preview your project to check for any issues. After that, you can just open the export settings. So tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner to open the export settings. So VN will open this export setting windows. You can see in here, this is the export setting, and this is the recommended high quality export settings. So for the resolution, you can just set it to 1080p, or if your device support it, you can set it to 2K or 4K for best quality. And for the frame rate, you can choose between 30 fps or 60 fps for smoother playback. And for the bitrate, in here you can just set it from 16 megabyte per second to 50 megabyte per second. And for the format, you can just adjust it to MP4, the most compatible format. And if you want to, you can also adjust the audio settings. So the sample rate is 48 hertz. It's best for clear sound. And the bit rate, you can set it to 256 kilobyte per second or higher for quality audio, for high quality audio. After that, you can just tap on export in here and just wait for the process to complete. Your video will be saved in your gallery, and you can share it directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or other platforms. So additional tips from me, the higher the bitrate, it means you will get a better quality but also larger file size. And 60 fps is great for smooth motions, but the standard is 30 fps. And don't forget to always preview before exporting to avoid mistakes. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.